Hey, I wanted to do an unboxing video for some Spyder headlights for 97 to 2001 Acura Integra. So I'm about to try to open it, so I'm gonna hit pause on this, but this is the box it comes in. No idea why it has these scratches. I got this off Amazon for about 157 bucks, I believe. They're halo lights. So I opened it from the bottom and it comes wrapped in all this. Oh, look at that. Very, very nice. I'm gonna pause this for a sec. So I bought the black ones, and then I'm seeing that for these are halos, as I said earlier. But I noticed I actually currently have a pair of halos on my car, but it's like a single wire. But I see for these it's a double, so that's gonna be interesting to wire up to the car. I was hoping I could use the existing harness I had. I'll figure something out. But this is what they look like. They don't have what's it called? They don't have vertical adjustment, so that's one thing I don't like. But I'll figure something out. I'm gonna pause this so we can take a look at this back here. So these are where the brights would go up. Oops. I like these better than the current headlights I have, actually, because you see that little bracket thing? I could never put it back on on mine, and my brights don't work. They keep blowing the fuse because they'll move, and yeah. So I'm about to take out the other one. This is the right side one. I really like them. They're really clean. Alright, so here are the left side headlights. They came pretty clean. I'm pretty happy. I will definitely be making an update video on this because of this right here. Like I said, I have a current pair. I don't know their name, but they definitely didn't look like this, so I'm definitely not going to be able to use my existing harness. Ooh, I mean, that kind of sucks, but oh well. But yeah, so ignore my room, it's kind of dirty. But yeah, this is these are the Spyder headlights. This is the right, and this is the left side. Alright, everyone, have a great day.